Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica is Gamer here with another reaction. Ooh. Today we are with something different. Like, me a scroll up on YouTube and me just see one thing when you're in the mix. So me say, what the hell is in the mix? So me a scroll see him and I'm going to one clip on one video them. And me realize it's a Jamaican show. It's a reality TV show where some mixology come together and actually have a competition for see, like that's what I get from the understanding of reading the actual description of the video. So there's season 1 and season 2. So I'm gonna react to the promo video first, and then I'm gonna react to one of the episode them. So this was dropped 2022, so 3 years ago. So this year is 3 years. It's 3 years anniversary. So I'm gonna jump in on one and see what I want, cause this is weird. Like, me never see it. And let me know if anyone else see it. So this is the promo video. Let's go.
7 mixologists have $1 million in cash and prizes, but only one will walk away with the coveted title of Master Mixer. Do these mixers have what it takes to reign supreme in a mix with Samurai? The ultimate Master Mixer is. Let's find out.
Why you not the mix? With a unique twist.
Saturdays at 8:30 p.m. with a rebroadcast. Tuesdays at 11:30 p.m. on TVJ.
So it was on TVJ? It was actually on TVJ? How much I don't know about this in the comment section? Please let me know. How much I don't ever watch this? Obviously, at the first me I see it, I'm fascinated, yo.
Saturdays at 8:30 p.m. with a rebroadcast. Tuesdays at 11:30 p.m. on TVJ.
Alright, so that was a promo video. I'm excited. Let's go and react to an episode. Let's meet me over there.